I grew up in Kolkata, India. As a child, I often visited my father in his chemistry lab. I always wanted to know what made one material distinct from another. Soon I learned that chemistry was the central science, and I really developed a love affair with chemistry. Decades later, when I worked at 3M, we wanted to make a new material that would change the paradigm of tooth filling. We wanted to make a material that would be highly aesthetic and very strong, an impossibility back then. I proposed developing nanoparticles. Initially, our nanoparticles provided composites of good strength and were beautiful because they were smaller than the wavelength of light. However, they did not have the right type of handling properties that a dentist needed. So this was a classical dilemma. The solution came to me as I was looking at a bunch of grapes. Each grape is small, but together they can make up clusters, and that is when I got my inspiration to make nanoclusters. Filtek Supreme Universal Restorative. A material that everybody loves, the dentist, the patient, and the company.